Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Libras. So let us see what is coming up, guys. I'll be picking few cards from each deck, guys, and I'll be giving your love message at last, what your person feels about this relationship and about you. So let's see what is coming up. Five of Cups, Two of Pentacles, the Empress, Three of Cups reversed, the Sun reversed. Libras, with these cards, the energy is that, guys, you are in certain kind of anxiety. Something is stressing you. Maybe some decisions regarding your work, some two paths that you have to decide between. So you are thinking within yourself what you need to do, and some things are there before deciding. You are quite emotional. Maybe for some of you all, you have lost a great deal, maybe in your relationship or in your professional life. You are feeling some kind of emotional loss, so you are still brooding over it, whatever that has happened. You are not seeing what is already there with you, so you are still thinking of those things that you have lost. Maybe right now you are in a quite contented state. So in your professional life you may be doing well, in your family, friends, you may be having those surroundings, and even this present person, they may be good to you, they may be in very much in love with you, but you still carry those emotional hurts that you had from your past. So from your previous breakup or something, something is stressing you, and you are in some kind of anxiety over it, guys. Some stress and anxiety is there. So though in this though you are there in this relationship with this person, you are not 100% happy. You are not accepting certain things what is there in front of you, and you are thinking of those that you have lost, guys. And maybe for some of you all, you are what to say, going in search of something. Maybe you want to spend time alone. You are what to say, trying to overcome the situation yourself. You are trying to console yourself, to pacify your what to say, all that negativity that is coming up because of your past hurts, whatever you have experienced in your life. And you are trying to console yourself, trying to think within yourself to control that non-stop chatter that is going on in your mind. You are trying to control that somehow, but maybe for some of you all, you may be able to overcome that. You can what to say, you can try meditation, guys. If you are having that non-stop and negative thoughts coming in your mind, you can turn to meditation. It will be of a great help to you all. And maybe for some of you all, you are planning to what to say, start on something, some kind of initiative you are planning in your business or in your personal life. Maybe you want to move in with this person, or they want to move in with you. That may be the reason for this card. You are still deciding. You don't know whether to move in or stay where you are, or some kind of decision making is happening, that is also there, guys. So some kind of positive things are coming towards you, but you are not ready to accept it, guys, right now. So that is the energy here. And though you may have things going for you, you are not accepting it totally, because you are having that emotional imbalance in you. You are very emotional about the things that you lost, and you are still brooding over it. So that may be the energy here, Libras. So let us see what is coming up with the other cards to give us more clarity. What is the energy for Libras? Dog. Heart. Fish. So Libras, with these cards, the energy is that, guys, this person that you are with, they are really, what to say, loyal to you. They are trustworthy and they are very friendly. You can trust them, and they have that great devotion to you, and you share that mutual love and understanding. Maybe it is time for you to open your heart. And Libras, maybe for some of you all, you are heading towards some kind of new venture, something which you are really passionate about, which you have a deep attachment to. So something you love, maybe art, some form of art, or even some sports activities, whatever it is, that you have a great passion and attraction towards. So you may be starting on something like that, guys, or you may be taking your relationship with this person to the next level. Maybe for some of y'all, you are planning to have a child or start a family in future. You may be talking to your person regarding this future that you want to share with them, and you may be discussing the things you want to do in your future. That may also be the energy here, guys. And this person is really loyal to you, and they look up to you for their happiness, and they feel happy when you are happy, guys. So that is also the energy with these cards. And maybe for some of you all, you may be into some kind of behavior, maybe what to say, some repetitive kind of behavior, some routines maybe, that may what to say, for some of you all it may be harmful if it is a bad habit. For some of you all it may be something really good. Maybe if you are doing some thing regarding your health, some kind of dieting, exercise, something, some habits that you're following that is good for you, you can have it, guys. But if it is something that you need to keep a check on, maybe some habits like drinking, smoking, so you need to manage all that wisely, guys. Go in for moderation. So that is also the energy here. And also maybe this is a time for abundance. Maybe a few opportunities are coming your way and you do not know which one to take up, Libras. That may also be the reason with this card. So there are many opportunities coming your way and you are still in doubt which one to take up, which one to proceed with. And you also need to manage your resources wisely and go in for moderation, guys. So you need not neglect the important things that you need to decide. You have to what to say, feel happy for what is there with you. So that may be the reason with this card also. So what is there you are not seeing, but you are thinking of certain things that you have lost and certain things that are not there, and you are worrying about that, guys. And maybe for some of you all, you are clearly getting some lucrative opportunities, something which is going to profit you a lot, guys. Maybe some trading options, some financial transactions may happen that may bring profits and prosperity, guys. So the cards denote some kind of business expansion, something like that, which profits you a lot. And also about certain activities that you need to keep a check on, guys. Maybe the sadness also, excessive brooding, excessive thinking of the past, that is not going to help you all, guys. So you have to keep all that in check, keep that in moderation for your own emotional balance and happiness. So let us see what is coming with the message card, guys. So this is what your person feels about you, Libras. You love unconditionally. I feel it's a very apt card. So with this card, it denotes loyalty and devotion. So this person feels you love them the same way, you have that trust, and they feel they can rely on you, or you feel this way about them. But certain things are bothering you, maybe these opportunities that are coming your way, or your past, whatever it is, Libras. It is time for you to decide and overcome, guys. So whatever these cards say, it is in your hands. You have that decision making in you to overcome whatever challenges you face and pave your way to success, guys. So that is the reading for today, Libras. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.